center where the snow monkeys are. Definitely smell the sulfur from the onsen town here. He's coming over, crossing the river right by the stream. The steam coming down the mountainside in large numbers. Yeah, we didn't pay nothing to see these monkeys. Just entered the official part of the Snow Monkey Park. And the riverbeds and hillsides are covered in them. Let me get you a little closer. They're sweating. Oh, golly. Look at one of the posts behind you. After 2 hours of seeing the snow monkeys, and our little monkey was startled awake. Poor little dog.
Oh, sigh.
the snow. We would have to turn back. It's a long way back. There's no waterfall anywhere.
Oh, there's like a cascade.
There should be an actual waterfall.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. I mean, it's. Oh, there's the big
There it
one.
is.
There, Ee.
We've seen it.
Yeah. Wow, it's really snowy on this side.
Yeah.
Waterfall. One of those random things reminding you of home. What do you think, little dog? America. Poor little lion cub got bullied at school, and Papa Lion is consoling it with deep emotion.
Going through our longest tunnel yet at like 4.3 kilometers, so about 2.5 miles long. I have no idea what it's going to look like on the other side. We're just getting into snow where we came from. Let's see what we got.
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Maybe a scenic viewpoint or a waterfall or something up here.
Oh, my retina.
No E.
The van life crowd actually have some American-made vehicles with a steering wheel on the other side. Bus conversion, rear pull-behind trailer.
try to take the path less traveled, you end up on a path much less traveled. Thanks, Google Maps.
Snowy evening and snowy night last night. We're near Aga, near Niigata. It is still fully winter here. Actually 0 Celsius out right now. Still snowing. It's supposed to snow this morning and then clear up and get a little bit sunny later today, so we're looking forward to that. Monkeys in this little town we just came into. Back at the Sea of Japan. Guys surfing out there. Stand back here so I don't disturb the delicate beings while she's finally eating. She's down eating like 1 meal a day because the conditions aren't perfect for her. Beautiful view north towards Niigata and the snow-covered mountains right to the sea. The reason we stopped though, not because all the trash on the beach, is this really random spot right on the side of the road that has dolphins and sea creatures and octopus that you could get up to, but fortunately it's all closed. This pier does look incredibly dangerous, but it's all closed off now. It's one of the many abandoned Japan things, unfortunately. So we will not be partaking in that fun. Not today, little dog.